I can never get enough facials. Facials are like full meals for your skin. So today I'm going to show you a superfood facial inspired by my dermatologist in Korea using Pink Peony Overnight Water Pack and Rescue Balm. So for this mini facial, you're going to need a bowl, a brush, and some saran wrap. So first I'm going to take a little bit of Pink Peony, maybe I would say like 3 to 4 scoops of each, and then let's say 2 scoops of Rescue Balm and mix them together. Mix, mix, mix. I'm usually at my dermatologist like once or twice a week. But when I'm traveling, I don't have time to see her, so she taught me this super cool trick. So once it's all mixed, I'm going to just apply a thin layer over my face. You can use a brush, but if you don't have a brush, you can use your hands. Whatever's easiest. So Rescue Balm has 12 different oils in it. It has almond oil, jojoba oil, avocado, coconut, so it's super moisturizing and hydrating. And Pink Peony is super hydrating because it's gel based. Once it's evenly layered all over the skin, I cut little strips of saran wrap, just about 4 or 5 inches. I'm just going to layer it on top of the pack. Make sure you don't cover your nose or your mouth, just kind of around. And then leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes.
Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Stop talking, let me go.
I think it's about ready. So I'm just gonna remove the strips. Take them all off. And then just dab in the rest with my fingers. And there you have it, your superfood mini facial using Pink Peony Water Night Overpack and Rescue Balm.